Hello everyone. We have already completed first part of this chapter. The chapter is the ashes that bloom trees, and today we will discuss part two of this chapter. So let us start. So dear student, this is our book Honeycomb textbook in English class 7, and our chapter is uh, the ashes that make trees bloom. So we have to start discuss part 2 of this chapter. Now this part tells us that Wicked never becomes so angry, and they break down the handmill and the mortar, or that time it was the season, so they just broke it into pieces. Now what happened? The spirit of the dog came to the old man's dream again, like for the second time of the spirit of dog again came to the kind man, and the spirit of dog spoke to the kind man, take the ashes of the mills, sprinkle them on the withered trees, and they will bloom again. Then the old man somehow managed to get a basket filled with ashes. Now we know that the wicked couple was very cruel and they were very insensitive. So what happened? After taking the basket, old man took his wife into the garden to their favorite cherry trees, was where now the old man just sprinkled the ashes over the cherry tree, and it blossomed. That what we see, and it was such a beautiful. Just imagine that you are studying in front of withered trees, and then what happened? The fortnight cherry tree was bare, but when he sprinkled it blossomed until it became a cloud of pink bloom, which perfumed in the air. Everyone in the village was amazed to see the world wonders. Everybody was surprised. Damio was to pass along high road now. Who was Damio? It was the word that is used for landlord in Japanese language. So at that time, landlord were, you know, treated with a lots of repeat and honor. They were very powerful people and with a lot of mobility and power, so they were respected by every person in the village. So the old man went to see him with a basket of ashes, and he climbed up into the trees. There was customs. Let's see, this was the customs are things that we are supposed to. You jump me or damn you. So what happened? While people to shoot up their high windows, people would fall upon their hands and knees. A man wants everyone to get on knees. What happened now? When Damio planning drew, the old man took ashes and scratches it over the trees. The procession passes through all man action as ashes without trees, and right when it bursted into blossoms. So Damio was very delighted. So first of all, he is not, but when he saw this miracle, I said, this man has done this thing like ghostly. Ultimately, kind man was full with a lot of fine goods and everything, and so many rewarded. Now again the greedy neighbors were again looking about this. The greedy neighbor does the same thing, king. Then the magic ashes would work the same way for him. They went what happened? The ashes blew into the noses, eyes of the Domino and his wife, making them sneeze and choke them. Old wicked man was dragged and thrown by the road. Then wicked old man died in the mud, but the kind friend of dog dwelt peace and plenty. So this chapter shows us that kindness is always rewarded, just like the old man's kindness was rewarded twice by the dog, liked by even by his spirit. Everyone he was dead in his spirit. He consoled the family, but every time the same things was done by the wicked neighbor. So it's just like kindness. Always pay back. So I hope that this chapter is clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.